What is up, guys? It's me, Hax. Back again in with another game update here. So this time I actually have some stuff to show because I decided to change the battle system completely. I decided to make it 2D instead of 3D for a variety of reasons. But the most important, I think the most pertinent being, is that it's just easier for me to do. If I made all the battles 3D, and I had to make models for every single one of the monsters I have, and I had to make skeletons, it would take me like a decade. Not unironically take me a decade because I am not 3D inclined, and I don't really like doing it all that much. And it's like, no. I'm much faster at drawing. I'm much better at drawing, so I figure why not just do it in 2D. Let's see what else. Let me pause this really quick. Okay. Another reason was I was recommended this game on Steam. I saw this game on Steam. And this one is a JRPG and it's 2D. And I really like the look of it. I haven't played too many JRPGs that look like this, so I thought this looked really, really cool. Like the UI and stuff. I mean, I have some problems with it too, like the fact that you can't see the levels of the monsters. Like, that's something I would think that you'd be able to see there. And the fact that I think it's her turn, the black-haired girl, yet she's all the way, down here. It's not this guy's turn, that's for sure. So, little things like that, but yeah, over you can see it again. It's clearly her turn, and she's like not even here. Although this is maybe the next order, so I know she's all the way down here. But maybe this is the front. Anyway, yeah, it looks really cool. I wouldn't do that either. That looks a little strange. So yeah, I saw this on Steam. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna make my game 2D because it looks really cool. Would I play this game myself personally? I wish they had a demo, It doesn't have a demo, and it's kind of expensive, so that's what I would say. But yeah, Path of the Midnight Sun looks really cool. I was also looking at, let's see here. Okay, I was watching this video. Let's see. Looking at stuff like this, too. Should make it be Tensei 4. It was also a 2D, like, front-facing JRPG. Like this, right? This sort of thing. So I figure, it would look pretty cool to do it like that. And what do you call it? Epic Battle Fantasy 4. I mean, not 4. Oh, not 4. Epic Battle Fantasy 3 is 2D as well, so yeah. All that being said, I ended up recoding everything, and I'm still in the process of doing it. Like, attacks don't work yet. I'm gonna turn that down. But everything else works so far. Then the code is a lot simpler because I'm not using 3D models. So because I'm not using 3D, that means I also don't have to use skeletons. I don't have to use cameras. I don't have to worry about meshes or any of that nonsense. Just drawings, which is so much better, so much easier. So much easier to keep track of everything. It's much better now. So, okay. And I also changed out the box that was here, finally. That stupid box that would follow you around. I just put a skeleton, the little guy there. So I started drawing this today. Some of the slimes. So you can finally see the slime. I changed up the UI a little bit too, so now it's like you see everyone on the screen. I changed this part up a little bit. As you can see here. I move this up here. What else? Oh yeah, if you use a skill that can be used on the party now, it's like this. Dim the screen and you can select like this. Oh yeah, and guarding, I also did this. Yeah. What else? Yeah, move that can be used by both. Oh yeah, and when you guard, you get this little icon now to show that you're guarding. Yeah, here we go. Heal. So heal you can use on both a party member and an opponent. So it's like this. Although I'm gonna change this up a little bit because that doesn't look that good. But for now, you know, it's okay for now, I guess. I might add like a little border around this. Though I do like the transparency, but you know. So yeah. Oh yeah, and when you run away, you get a little animation of them getting farther away. So yeah. Everything but attacking works because I have to recode every single move that I coded in because, you know, it uses camera angles and all this stuff. So, yeah. I really wish I didn't do it, but I had to because I had to make a demo for college. So I had to make sure all the moves worked. I didn't want to because I knew I was gonna, like, you know, but I had to make sure everything worked. So now I gotta recode everything, which is not that bad, to be honest, but yeah. And my cat is currently attacking me. Yeah, cats. Alright. Alright, what else? I think besides... Oh yeah, I added, boss battles. Or the ability to have a boss battle. So, if you walk here... Start a boss battle with Ethan. Now I drew this today, so, you know, it's like super rough, but you can see, like, you know, you can make them float and stuff, which is cool. This is like one of the advantages of using 2D over 3D, because I'm pretty good with the Unreal Engine, like, animation system for widgets. So I can do stuff like this, like, super easily. So, like, this is example how boss battle would look like. And if you try to run away, it'll say you can't. So there you go. I'm pretty sure this is how it's going to look like in the actual battle. Like, he's probably going to be level 20, so. And I'm, for now, keeping the background as 3D. I think it looks pretty cool. I could, you know, draw all the backgrounds. I might. I'm thinking about it. But, you know, like, 3D environments aren't too hard for me to do. It's just characters that I really don't like to do. But environments are kind of fun. Not too bad, so I might keep it 3D and just leave the sprites 2D. So I'm gonna get out of here. Alright. So yeah, if you want to see further how this kind of works here, if my cat will stop walking on my desk. Thank you, cat. Let's see here. So, it's a really awesome, simple system that I made. Let's see if I can find it here. I made it, most of it today, so I just got back from work. Where did it go? Right. Monster, yes, here. Okay, so basically the way it works, if you were curious. I'm using flipbooks. So everything that I was using for, like, say, the class change screen, everything I figured out for this, I can literally just use for battle as well. So it's actually really good that I had to make this little screen here. Oh yeah, I also did Rowan, his animation, so that's new. Yeah. I forgot about that. I think I also did some more paintings. Did I? I don't remember. Oh, yes, I did Gavin's, yeah. Right. Colin and Gavin, right. It's so cool. So cool. Oh yeah, and I also did Dancer Suzanne, that's right. Right here. I completely forgot. And I did regular Suzanne. Wow, yeah, I do stuff and then I completely forget about it. Man, okay. Dan's already done. Alice, I already showed, I think. Joe is done. Yeah, so there's not too much left for that. But, yeah. Mostly I was working the battle screen this time. What else was there? Oh yeah, I was gonna show how it worked. Right. Okay, so basically, I have like a master monster whatever widget here. It takes a flip book. You know, you have one for the idle, hit, def, attack, and magic. And then you have an array for if you want some more, like special animations for that monster. And then like you have special animations, which are like, they're gonna be like movies, basically. So instead of like a 3D cutscene, which is what I was gonna do originally, like Tokyo Mirage Sessions, because I thought it was cool, but I'm not a AAA company, so I'm not doing that. No, I'm gonna draw it, because I can do that. Right, I can animate 2D. No problem. No sweat. I've made an hour-long movie. You know, it's not impossible. It's not hard. It's just time-consuming, right? Anyway. So the special animations are all going to be just movie files. Super easy, simple. Yeah. So, for example, someone like the slime. Slimes are unique because they're all pretty much the same. They all share the same sprite, but they're all different colors, and they have like one different unique move for each one. So you can see here it has like an idle, hit animation, blah blah blah. I only did the idols so far, but you can see here, which is the one I showed you. You saw a game earlier. It's a rough little thing I made. So basically, you just make one for each thing there. And what's great about this is that you can customize based on that. So, for example, Ethan, I want him to have that, you know, floating animation. So I can... So you can, you know, add an animation here and just, you know, do like play animation on construct. And it would only be for Ethan himself. Now the disadvantage to doing something like this is, let's see. You now have all these images for, you know, each animation. So you have, you know, the image files, then from those image files you have the sprites, and then from those sprites you have to make a flip book. And you have to do this for every single monster in the game. So it's a little, maybe it's a little larger, I'm not sure, than using 3D models, but the process of making it, for me, is much faster. And I like to draw. I don't really like to do 3D, so I'm still going to make, like, everyone in the overworld 3D, but it's not as bad because there's only 3 animations they need. You need a walking, running, and like attacking for when you're in the dungeon. That's pretty much it. Oh, and an idle, so 4 in total, which isn't that bad. So much easier workload for me, and now I have things that I can actually do because I was like putting it off. Whoa, hey. Man, cats are just a handful. My cat was putting his paw in the tarantula enclosure. I don't understand. Cats are bizarre. Like, he just loves sitting on top and just... Okay. I'm gonna have to, like, cat-proof it by, like, putting an acrylic thing on top instead of the mesh shit. Anyway, that's pretty much everything. So, next time, I'll probably have some more sprites done. Or I'll have some more paintings done. And yeah, right now it's smooth sailing. I just need to do, you know, more of that. You know, gradually build up the bestiary some more, and that'll be good. So, oh yeah, and I'll try to get attacking to work by recoding some of the moves and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you next time. Probably should be in about a week, because I know what I need to do now. I mean, I knew before, but now it's much simpler, so yeah. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.